Hey, have you ever experienced that annoying ringing sound in your ears? Or maybe you found yourself struggling to hear conversations clearly, especially in noisy places? It's frustrating, isn't it? And what's worse, doctors often say, just live with it. But what if I told you there's a natural solution you can try at home that could help reduce that ringing and improve your hearing? Stick with me for a few minutes, because what I'm about to share could change everything for you. Tinnitus, that relentless ringing or buzzing in your ears, can be downright unbearable. It can keep you up at night, distract you during the day, and make it hard to enjoy the simple things, like listening to music or having a conversation with your friends and family. For some people, it's even more than just a noise. It's like living in a constant. You've probably tried eardrops, maybe even medication, or gone through endless doctor visits only to be told there's no cure. But what if you could try something completely natural, something that targets the root cause of your hearing problems and tinnitus? There's a powerful trick that you can do at home that may help reduce this ringing sound and improve your hearing, and I'll tell you all about it. But first, let's take a look at what might actually be causing this issue. Most people don't realize that tinnitus and hearing loss aren't just problems with your ears. The ringing can often be a sign of something happening in your brain. You see, the ear-brain connection plays a massive role in how we hear, and when this connection gets disrupted, whether from loud noises, aging, or even stress, the result can be that relentless buzzing in your ears. But here's the good news. You don't have to rely on medications or endless visits to specialists. There's a way to naturally restore balance to your ear-brain connection, and you can start right at home. I'm talking about a natural technique that doesn't involve pills or surgery. Imagine a solution that's easy to do, non-invasive, and that could finally give you relief from that annoying ringing in your ears. Sounds incredible, right? And I'm not alone in this. Many people who've tried this simple trick have reported improvements in their hearing and a dramatic reduction in the ringing. I don't want to spoil everything here because there's a short video that explains exactly how you can use this natural solution. If you're ready to finally find relief from tinnitus and start hearing clearly again, click the link in the description below and watch the video now. I know how exhausting it can be dealing with tinnitus or hearing issues. It can feel like you're constantly missing out on important moments. Maybe you've had to turn up the volume on your TV to the point where it bothers others, or maybe you found yourself avoiding social situations because it's just too hard to hear. The good news is you don't have to keep struggling. You don't have to accept this as your new normal. There's a natural, at-home solution that can help reduce the ringing in your ears and improve your overall hearing health. If this sounds like something you need in your life, and trust me, it's simpler than you think, go ahead and click the link in the description below to watch a short video that explains everything in detail. This technique has helped countless people regain clarity in their hearing and reduce the constant ringing. Imagine what it could do for you. I've seen too many people suffer silently with tinnitus, feeling hopeless, not knowing where to turn next, and I want to make sure you don't have to go through that anymore. You deserve to enjoy peace and quiet again, without the constant buzzing in your ears. This natural solution is something you can start using today. No waiting for prescriptions, no side effects from medications, just something simple and natural that you can do right from the comfort of your home. So, if you're ready to take control of your hearing health and say goodbye to the ringing in your ears, don't wait. Click the link in the description below to learn about this natural trick that so many people are already using. You've tried everything else, why not give this a try? You've got nothing to lose and your hearing to regain. Thank you for watching, and I hope this simple, natural solution helps you as much as it's helped others. Remember, relief from tinnitus and hearing issues is possible, and it might just be one click away. Go ahead, click the link below, and see for yourself how this natural trick could transform your life. Remember to click the link below to watch the video and discover the natural way to deal with tinnitus and hearing loss. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share if you found this helpful.